Welcome to Divine API. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of testing the Natal Transit API using Postman. If you're a developer looking to integrate planetary transit insights into your application or just exploring the API's capabilities, this step-by-step guide will make it easy to follow. Let's get started. Before we begin testing, you'll need an API key to authenticate your requests. Go to divineapi.com. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for a 7-day free trial and log in with your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, navigate to the API key section, where you'll find both your API key and access token. Keep these handy because you'll need them for authentication in Postman. Now, let's set up Postman. If you haven't logged in yet, do that first. Then visit divineapi.com and scroll down to find the Postman Collection link. Click on Run in Postman, and you'll see an option to choose between Postman for Web or Postman for Windows. For this tutorial, we'll go with Postman for Web. Once you've made your selection, choose your preferred workspace, and then click Import to add the Divine API collection to your Postman environment. If the import is successful, the Divine API Postman Collection will appear on your screen. Now that Postman is ready, open the Western Astrology API collection and select Basic Transit. Make sure the HTTP method is set to POST so that we can send a request. Click on the Authorization tab, and from the dropdown, select Bearer Token as the authentication type. Now go back to your Divine API dashboard, navigate to the API key section, and copy your access token. Return to Postman and paste the access token into the token field. Now let's enter the required details for the request. Click on the Body tab in Postman, where we will input the parameters. First, copy your API key from the Divine API dashboard and paste it into the API key field in Postman. Then, enter the details for the request, which include the birth date by specifying the day, month, and year. You will also need to enter the exact birth time using the hour and minute fields. To calculate transits accurately, enter the latitude and longitude for the location. Finally, make sure to enter the correct time zone offset based on the location you're using. Once all these details are filled in, click Send, and you'll see the API response appear on the screen. The response will display planetary transit positions in relation to the birth chart, giving real-time astrological insights. If you run into any errors, double-check that your API key and access token are correctly entered. Most issues come from missing or incorrect authentication details. For a detailed step-by-step guide, you can find the article linked in the video description. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to our team at admin@divineapi.com. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Divine API tutorials. Thanks for watching.